Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily test. That is, vertical zigzag pattern. Hashtag include stdio.ho and hashtag include stdlib.h. These are preprocessor directives that include necessary libraries in the program. stdio.h provides input-output functions, and stdlib.h provides memory allocation functions like malloc. Int main, this is the beginning of the main function, the entry point of the program. Int n declares an integer variable n which will store the input value. Scanf, %d, and n reads an integer from the standard input and stores it in the variable n. Int mat n declares a 2D array matrix of size n by n. This matrix will be used to store the pattern. Int inc equals n initializes the variable inc with the value of n. Int a equals n-1 initializes the variable a with the value n-1. This variable is used to control the printing of elements in a specific manner within the nested loops. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I++, outer loop running from 0 to n-1, 4 rows. Nested loop. For int j equals 0, j less than n, j++, inner loop iterating from 0 to n-1, 4 columns. If statement checks if the column index j is even, it prints the element at coordinates j, I from the matrix mat. Else statement prints if the column index j is odd, it prints the element at coordinates j, a from the matrix mat. A minus equals 1 decrements the variable a by 1 after each complete iteration of the inner loop. This helps to adjust the column index while printing the zigzag pattern. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.